Hi, this video is going to be on the form of the Tempest. Now you may have noticed that when you read the play aloud that there's a certain kind of rhythmic pattern to it, and that's because it uses blank verse. Now blank verse is a poetic form that is made up of unrhymed lines of iambic pentameter. And iambic pentameter uses one unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable with a total of 10 syllables in a line. And you can see it in this quote here, and you can hear it when you read it aloud. I am your wife if you will marry me. So these red highlighted syllables are the stressed ones. Now Shakespeare uses blank verse in his plays to distinguish between the higher class characters, which will use blank verse, and the lower class characters, which will use prose. And prose is unmetered text, so it doesn't have a rhythm to it. And we can see an exception with this with the character of Caliban. Now, because he is an enslaved character, he doesn't have a high status, but he often speaks in blank verse, and this is because Prospero must have taught him how to speak this way. And also we have examples of other rhyming language in the play, most clearly through Ariel, who uses rhyming couplets, and this emphasises his magical abilities in the play. Thanks for listening.